is Jack, reporting for Jack's World, and look what my cats do. Look, Bruno over there. Can you believe that, guys? Just Bruno makes such a weird. Okay, I've been tricking him long enough. They can play again. But look how big they are compared. I'm 8 years old, and look how tiny that is. That's a tiny baby.